Last time we tested Jeep Grand Cherokee, it was very close to rolling over. And that's why we've chosen to take out another car with the same engine, same chassis specification, same tire and rim sizes, everything is the same, it's just another car. Now we're going to see how it performs in the elk test. Neither rollover mitigation or electronic stability control performs as it should.
We used the Volkswagen Touareg and the Volvo XC90 as reference cars. Both cars handled the Moose test excellent in 69 to 70 kilometers per hour. In miles per hour, that is 43.5.
Well, as you can see, the Jeep Grand Cherokee performs exactly as it did last time we tested it. With two different cars, the same behavior. It's not good, it's lousy and it's dangerous, and Jeep got to respond to this. So now it's up to Jeep.
But this is the figures you have given the Swedish.
The weight of this car.
Yes, it is.
Yes,
MM.
but it's the same for the model.
I'm not stupid, but it says MMO.
I understand, but for all the cars they put the same because the homologation weight.
Weight.